Mould King V8 engine building block set is an impressive model comprising over 2,250 pieces, providing an engaging and detailed assembly experience. This V8 engine model features a realistic internal combustion engine design with 8 cylinders arranged in a V configuration, complete with transparent cylinder heads and simulated piston motion. Equipped with an electric drive mode, the model includes an L motor and a battery box, offering powerful performance and excellent acceleration once assembled. Constructed from high-quality ABS and carbon fiber materials, this model is designed to be compatible with existing brand toys, ensuring durability and ease of assembly. The Mould King V8 engine model is a versatile set suitable for children, teenagers, adults, and collectors, making it an ideal gift for various occasions. With colorful paper instructions included, assembling the model is straightforward, and any missing pieces can be promptly replaced by contacting the manufacturer.